Lord boss, don't make the killers them wall you. Bossy, don't make the killers them wall you. We are gonna jog your butt, yeah, tell you.
Alright, my peeps, this is the rumor reports. And today we come to talk about Chronic Law, breaching Mad Rass, exposing him, or I should say, ex-friend. So, I tell you, say Mad Rass talks on things in this, and I have to say, no man, if I really saw Chronic Law stay in a real life, trust me, brother, enough you say nothing about pain and what friend do you, man, what this and what that. No, man. But basically, Mad Rass expose him as a friend killer, and him kill Mad Dawg. But check it out for yourself, my peeps.
Now, this is Mad Rass. From what day, me I say Mad Rass from the internet. I say Chronic Law. Some car thing and some one bag of things. So say Mad Rass, ya people. So they're gonna say Mad Rass. I get to overstand say you and Chronic Law are forward from very far. So make Jamaica know what I want, my brother. Or you know they run Chronic Law no more.
Because Chronic Law will make you dead for hungry, you see it? And make you them dead off, you see it? Chronic Law thief, and Chronic Law and rate the youth them and sell out. You know where you come from? You come from before him can buy all up NSC or weed buy him. Down a bad bush. See Mad Dawg, them youth are real youth, you see it? You see Mad Dawg?
Yeah.
Him and squash them go for Chronic Law over St. Thomas. We are the whole of you go over y'all see him. Came in them village.
Hold
So came in the village.
Hold on. That's a Mad Dawg 6. Me not cut you. Mad Dawg 6.
Yeah, Mad Dawg 6. I'm the brother that me tell about. You see it? So he came in the village.
Yes.
Him not have nothing. He even a hit song him not. He even have a tune. Him just sing some little sitting. You see it? I bring him in the village. I be any way I buy him a nice set of clothes them. I look a Marga girl in the village. I first girl that him fuck. Cause you know them little bushman there. And thinking clocks and sitting. I choke me at that, man. You see it? Cause you know we know.
No, me know that Courtney. Remember me know you from where you use. I we have work money long time.
But watch you know, and really that still no. You see it? You see it? In an idea. You see us a host. And we did there and go and bill and every song him sing. We put it on the local youth them phone and post it and every car they play it and sitting. It's like they make their money and thing and them get rich and one thing, you know? Then remember where them come from. And sell out the village, sell out the dog them. Say them now come back a bad bush and no bad bush man. Even hilltop him no one go. Cause him can't go hilltop up a female, you know.
Up a gunning? He can't go up there.
Him can't go up there. Him say even hilltop him no one go. Enough place him can't go, you know. Criminal, you know, a thief, you know. Alright, watch you now. Watch you now. See, all I dog them in my place. You know, I know all about can tell us and I know captain me there on. You see it? Cause I'm not too like chat to people still now. But it's show me a real brother, I tell you 100. You see, pray. All right,
yes, my family.
See, you see us house and we take care of them and them alright and them never have no vehicle or nothing. Our vehicle them not moving. You see it? They want to move.
Yeah.
Our things the portal them. You see it? Like some dog, I don't have to call them name because them know themselves. You see, pray. Nice. So I see us house and they are one place. They watch a whole 100, you see it? And see how them come up or come down. Anyway you want to call it, because you know a thing go.
Yeah.
Watch you know? Did you honestly say them a try avoid the village and now because them start get whole heap of player now. Them now big up gang again. Them now big up J vibes again. Them now big up Mad Dawg again, certain way and certain things and sitting. Before that, I'm tell you what go on now. I said so and them come down in the village again, you know. Them shot some song and sitting, you see it? A couple producer and thing. And them there in a village and, you know, after them shot them song and thing in a village and for my veranda then they will cook for them and everything. We never talk about we give people our food and them things.
Yeah, but that's a natural thing, yes.
But that's a show you what go on, you know. You know that's all out there one place and all our way apart from day one, Bobby 6, Law Boss, Mad Dawg, you know, Squash Man, the whole our way dog, you see it? Every one of them was a 6, you see it? The whole our group of one place. But it's like, Mad Dawg never type all the dog for something or another. You see it? And when I go to town, you know, the boy them call on my phone about 500 times after them come down here, left me in my village and drive out.
Yeah.
Them buy vehicle too, you know, dog, you see it. But them want our things to go kill people and them and them thieving friend them, you see it. But
Yeah.
any day, you know, days like them call on my phone, Bashy and the boy law boss, they call me and say, yo, yeah, you me a wait for no, cause we are going town, you know, cause we are wait for you, cause, you know, say, want you forward a town. But in idea, my car, them want you to bring them moving studio, because you know, like, artists can have a moving studio.
Yeah.
I know if some people know say artists can carry them studio go anyway. You
Yes,
understand?
man.
So you have a moving studio like a my car, then a car it still. So them a link with
Mobile studio.
yeah, like you know. So my car they want to transport everything for them, like clocks, everything, as it. So them have me a
Yes.
town like and I use me like. But then even though say them can't use me because I don't know a follower, me a leader, you see it. So I'm saying right, some of the son did it with them and it's like them a link with all type of man. Till one night time. Two of the dog them a link with that a chronic land bash them. Tell them say they want one car for go up on one movements. And then nigga take my car from them yard gate. All camera see everything, you see it. So boy they tell me say go buy my back a car because the nigga will take the car go kill much people and sell the parts after and dead 2 weeks after and thing, you see it. Boy name like finger something another like same name, you see it. So it's like they are town now and me did there I see corruption now. The boy then left me in the house about 6 months straight and gone left me, you see it. But through me on my phone, and from me have my phone, me can make money, you see it. So I just living on my phone and start buying my food, them can do me ear and everything.
Yes.
So I there town and I make their money and them friend, enough of them friend are running Rasta City, no son of lie me I tell. Right now, him all owe me, you know. All of them a talk about sweet states. And we show them everything about sweet states, my friend.
Oh, God, man. Oh, God, man.
So watch you know. The stairs on there one place. A town them left me up. I'm tell you where them left me. Uptown me there. Up a Red Hills. For one 5-story house. You see, no pool on the yard. Not nice live down look further. You can turn up your yard over there and look for not nice house. You see it? Nice.
Okay.
No, not nice.
Yeah.
So watch you know, I see so I did it. Work on the line, see me and still eat my food. Me now watch them because promises a comfort to a fool. You see it? So I hear the man and tell me when I turn in circle like me I play 2 Mad Dawg and 2 squash. The man them tell me say yo law boss tell me even man them and bash they tell me say yo don't play no Mad Dawg, you know. And don't play no squash in the house, you know. You see it? So I say where them man tell me in my mind. So you see it? And the whole of we are one. So I say Shagdan and them and the whole of them start link and be a thing and everybody a come round. So I just see a son go on and fatter them and poppy them. The whole of we did a charge. Everybody did it. You see it? You go and watch 100. See them go again and left me up the same here. No food nor nothing. One at a time, you know, I stock up the place and now I go spend my 50,000 on a supermarket. You see there, I'm going to spend my 50,000. I'm sorry, I'll spend it that day, you know. Because watching the same day, I go to the supermarket, the man tell Papi say, and Fathead say, bring me down from the bad bush and I come down them out, me get my car. No, I don't get that, but cut that the long story the short. Stay son come down now in our village and, you know, there in our village. I'm there in our village. I know a man come down with over 300,000 because I tell us I'm still there work. All him friend them rob look like my money and thing. Right now, running around the city them over. We don't know to. You understand? So we don't know what to know like. I mean, say, right this song, I take a look on a wicked up. I mean, say nice, you know. Me say no joke. Everything you know that. Them put in a song, them not get to you no credit, you know, my friend.
And that me like what you said.
Everything where them put in a song them, and me say so, yeah? You don't believe in me? Ask Christ. You have a phone, you have a Bible, ask God. Remember. So what you know? I stay so house and did it with them and cut and them bring me down and I drop all the prison one at a time and I shout the boy them at jail and boy them answer no phone, the boy them there outside the law boss and I tell me say law boss and they have to know like then the members them when they are town with them and so much man money they in style, how much youth they in style. Boy all style. Me see boy style tall man when tall man they all a prison man hit or jail I tell tall man so what you know? He might give him piece of food and when time tall man they shout him. The boy not run the food in and they run with this man, you know. This much man run, you know. This all GS Skull, you know, run out him and out of the house, you know.
That's a llamas.
Yeah, this GS Skull for sure. GS Skull then I house they cook him dinner for him and show one girl. Cook breakfast, everything for him and show one girl. You know him an artist or one girl. He must say girl must give him a blowjob. And show GS Skull now no girl and the girl like her GS Skull and give him some pussy and the dog end up breed the girl. But Laba turn out the man and fling out the man clothes them outside road, dog. Ask J. Skull. Him go, if him see that
Bumbuckler, dog.
so me say, what them are sitting here go on. At the time, I didn't reach on it in a whole heap of things that go on the dog and I plan up in my brain and I can't tell them.
John, what's your mature screen recording up in us?
Watch it out. You see the man sing all. You see them this J. Skull tree man breed a girl and get a first youth and man say girl did this a rare. This him, this the dog, you know. And this the girl, you know. This the girl, you know. That's why some girls know, oh, them had put them mouth on, you see it. Call them the fronty boy, there's some girl really nasty for you, you know. So that's, yo, watch out now, forget that now. You know, say without a Portland one night time in a one boat and yeah, you might talk about him still a bleed. Him know make him say him still a bleed, you know. You see it? Cause don't go buy one gun for shot themselves, dog, and sell it back a man. And a real thing, man. Them man know body, my friend.
What you say?
Then there's the corrupt youth, them mind.
In them one boat. And he shot his head.
You're deaf and sell it back a man. And them man know body. Enough thing me can tell you, know. Them the boy that don't know body me killer. Them don't know body, you see it. They want to kill out the youth them and last the youth them out of the system and them alone live. Because here them send on escape and them rich. So them can send to look man go kill some man and buy beer gun. So I make them don't buy some book. Right now back to school.
Back
to school now. Back to school now. I make them not buy some book, some pencil, some shoes and some school bag. I like how them rich and portal not too much rifle. Them
name bad when you're an artist. Your name bad when you're an artist. Me know that.
Some youth, what them know circle bad bush and circle down there and try to put something in the studio where them try to burst some first.
True, the first studio. I that Miss Nation basketball, but anyway, go and chat. No.
Try to circle some old people who walk on road and take care of them like the youth and give them beer, KFC and them thing there. You know? I make sure the youth them were hungry. Alright. Them not do nothing for the poor. Them just want to buy guns and shot to kill out the people them pitney. Wait till them time come. At them time you go see. When for them time come. Here.
Them not be having them thing there.
I got alone.
If me tell a youth over here what they are. Make your chat still. Me tell a youth say yo. Them are big up the artists them. And the artists them now have no youth boy.
Watch it now. That's what I'm show you, man, them though. Chopstick. Them par with 20 man or so.
Yeah.
And when and them burn off them 20 man because them know so them artists them can go down a Senance Bay go par 20 more, 50 more.
Me know.
Then them go down Mobile. Burn off them man there. Them can go down Mobile go par with 50 more man. And them burn off them man there. Yeah, nice. You understand? So the whole of the artists all them are sing about them real and this and that. They're not real not at all. None of them are my idol. Better you be your own idol. You get to youth or
anybody. I'm your own idol, man. Me tell them that already. No you. No one.
You see, if nobody now motivate you or try to make you alright in your life and not care about your needs and your wants, it means nothing to you, yeah?
Okay.
Nice.
So, may I say, you and Mad Dawg was friends before Chronicler, right?
No, watch you know, no. The whole of we are friends from day one, you know. Because watch you know, Mad Dawg and Chronicler come from the same place. But Chronicler get to meet Mad Dawg up, you know, in a one place. Like him there jail for like some thieving thing, but Mad Dawg are killers. Big man thing.
Me know that.
Like the man, like him go up on a robbery and him drop in a jail. Like, you know, jailers them use craft and say, you know, some anti-place a rob boy. And then, you know, beat up him face, like touch him up and, you know, so Mad Dawg say, yo, what I do? And the man come from the same place on the post. Lord, the man in the body, boy, what I do? You know, so them have to back up. So he never sing about Mad Dawg. But from when I look a song thing and like some look a girl thing, with Squash and Mad Dawg, with some song thing, him no want hear Squash and him no want hear Mad Dawg again. So the whole thing, him man shotgun then just take for them side. And them a man just take for them side like a one thing, a 1-6, a year, a 1-6, and no other, any other dirt.
A 1-6 me didn't know. A 1-6 me didn't know.
Nothing not change. And them alone change. And still them a money. Then still they collect silver and change. None.
A 1-6 me didn't know still for you.
A wicked up. Take a look pan man. A 1-6. Nothing not change my killer. Nothing not change. Nothing not change. And them alone change. A 1-6. Nothing not change my killer. I can't tell you that man. Nothing not change.
Yeah.
Is it?
So when the tension developed between Mad Dawg and Chronicler, when one of the tension developed, me never did realize one tension developed. Till Mali them sing now when I'm
reach that part there, you know. You are going on now. No, me ain't tell the dog them. Me have the dog them number in my phone at them time now. Me that town. But me not say nothing, me just say, listen the traitors them, I see it. And the
Yes.
instigator now take me car and kill her, me and my friend them. So what you know now? Me stay them, they make me reach back down, after Papi carry me down, and farted, drop me down in my village, come down safe still, cause they know so me have to come down safe, cause them can't come at town. So them have to make sure me reach back and my place safe, although they make me thief my car, them thief my car, and such. Them and them friend plan up, but them have to bring back and my place safe. I see it. So what you know now? Me there in my village. I'm there in my village, and you know, so I'm there in my village, and I look at me go on, and I drop a prison and thing. I'm drop about jail about 300 times. God kill me, I got jail about 300 times already, you know. You see it? So I said, so I'm a killer. I'm there one place. I'm there one place in our village, and like them say, and I know I said the boy law boss. Pay man at one part, at one place to come kill you. The man them come circle me, and we drink out the money. You see it? Like the man them come circle Mad Dawg and drink out the money, well our boss pay to kill him. Cause look a bit further from and over down the road the man them live. So through him have one link at one place and they look, you know? So what you know? You know. So the dog ever circle me every day. I circle one girl and I tell me same thing, so yo, you have to watch them boy because them see me here par and them say me, you that talk on media and me not pay that no mind. And them a pray me and I know that because them pay man to kill me. So I have to watch them and I want you to watch them. You see it? So I can tell you that them kill Mad Dawg, pay them friend up and maybe if that's a smuggler, Mad Dawg and Brown Boss. 3 man dead one time.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, man said program from prison, 3 big man just missing. You no need to listen. Or no go learn.
Bumbo cloud. I want one. Yo, you know, say the Mali song me I listen still and know all of this. The Mali song me listen, you know. Me not tell no lie. And me hear Mali say something in a song where you are saying now. Something like that about Mad Dawg 6. Me hear Mali say, I feel money.
Mad Dawg, what you know? You see Mad Dawg, a one plate, me and him dog eat out, and no boy to me. If a boy ramp with me, if Mad Dawg alive, me don't know where him go do. That's why them have to get rid of that dog, because them afraid of that dog, you know. And them want the strength from the dog, then them kill her. You have some people like that, you hear me say? Them feed of the killer like chicken. So some people need the strength to use it, then them kill her.
True that.
With no say, one word have many meaning here.
True that.
You know? You have a smart.
True that. Youth, true that. That's saying the way you say, a reality. Them feed, you take your strength out, they give them strength, and let you go. We see it. See it all the time. Then
them shot themselves. Them shot themselves. Oh, I'm sure land there now with the economy.
Yeah.
Tell the people that I still running to import.
Yeah, all right. When he shot himself, in the boat from water on there, or from land.
Up a Portland, up a Blue Lagoon in a boat from water. You know, you ain't saying still a bleed. I think Mali that's a lie. Bashi not. Bashi a coward.
No, me and Mali say.
Bashi a biggest coward. Bashi. Oh, Bashi, I biggest coward. Bashi no pull down no toe like mechanic. A lie.
A lie.
I strap up something I put.
A lie.
Nice. A lie. Bashi no pull down no toe like mechanic.
Yo. Bumbo club. We know some most of the song they must sing, most of the youth never chat about still. We do that car, watch I know. Fun and joker style. We from the street, and when we are on the street, then youth and a debo. When me are on the street, then youth and a debo. They will not know me not know them.
I'm no line. I never met them know some of your brother. You see it? Because them even know some of your brother from day one.
Okay.
When I look for you, I run road. When we are run road, amount of boy we mash up. When them look for my face, them know the rest, you know.
Okay.
All the
Okay.
station, I never have to tell them to ask. Nice.
I put up something. Like I real life, when when we start, I don't know you have money over even them, you for real, because we are on the road long time. And remember when we forward in the university, you know, you give me a strength, you know, as I use.
Remember say we are fuck girl before law boss them, you know.
Long time.
We have squashed them and daddy one and the fuck girl before law boss them, you know. Because squash a girl is some long time, that's true. Because I'm not talk bias.
No, squash a girl is from.
Them money I make them money before. Yo, them money I make them money before music, you see it? No,
we
joke.
know that. We know that.
Nice.
Bobby 60 wall works. The wall works.
Yeah, man, them money I make them money. Them money I make them money before music, my friend. You see it? Them money I rent hotel before law boss to sleep in a one, my friend. When them boy the circle village, them boy should have praise you right now. This is youth of them boy should have praise we right now. All a bad bush youth them like Diddy Rat. We need to have a call some name. Big go show and some more dog and J Vibes and Junior gang we own the studio. Then we praise them youth the right
So
right
the
now.
studio, Junior Gang Studio, did Chronicler come and show any support back to that studio?
Where? Support
Not,
what? You know your man
not
say
even
you
a
invest
laptop.
in a gun. You can't invest in a gun and shot and come support back something. A gun and shot alone and invest in her and support in her. That's correction.
That's correction. Bumbo clot. Nice. Good clot. Remember, yo, that you can sing it in a song still in America. I'm seeing mouth say and what if I gun and shot and invest in her. So really and truly, the gang studio where he has strength to don't go back and invest in her. That's not a good look. Remember.